Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a really exciting video where you're doing a slime room tour, and the reason why this is pretty exciting is because we haven't done this type of video in a couple of years. But before we get into that, I would like to let you guys know that we are doing a giveaway, so stay tuned till the end of the video for more info on that. So here we are at the beginning of the slime room. When you enter, you'll see we write down basically what the week is going to look like on that whiteboard. You'll see that we have some food coloring and paints that we add to our slime, of course. These are all the scents that we use. You can see that we definitely have a lot. A lot of these shells have some like random things. Like here we have some pigments, some food coloring, more paint. Bottom we have some glycerin. Just little things that we can use for slime, like for the clays, just add-ins, stuff like that. And this is our slime mixer. If you guys don't know, we call her Big Batch Betty, so go ahead and show her some love in the comments. She goes through a lot for these slimes. We're preparing for a restock during this video, so you guys can see some clays on the floor as well as some clear slime bases as well. Here is where we film. This is our setup. You guys can see the grass wall and the LED light that we just recently added in our videos. On the left, we have some business cards from slime shops that we were friends with over the years. Some of them have actually quit, but it's just really memorable, and I love that we have that added into our slime room. The slime room tour was mostly filmed in the daylight, but I wanted to add a clip of you guys showing what it looks like at night as well. Here we're just showing what more of our setup looks like. You guys can see some tripods, our LED ring lights, and there's also a photography kit down below that we use for our pictures. Ethan also pointed at the broom and trash can because that is very necessary for a slime room. So here's where we store most of our glue gallons. We also have some containers. These have charms, sprinkles, everything like that. We have some more here as well. We just have all kinds, bunch of buckets of them. We just constantly have some so we can think of new ideas every single week for you guys. If you guys have any slime ideas for any of the charms and sprinkles here, leave them down in the comments below and maybe we'll use one of them. So here's where we store the slimes that are ready to be packed for the restock that week. Here we have some more sprinkles and charms. We store these ones here so they're more accessible because these are the main ones that we use most of the time. I don't know if you guys can see, but at the top of the shelf, we have some fan art on the left. Hopefully we can include that in a later video. We've kept them over the years from conventions, and I would really love to show you guys the ones that we have. On that shelf was also some extras. Like you saw, Ethan showed a box of lip balms that we include with big orders. Here we have some shipping supplies, as you guys can see. We have some stickers that we put on our slimes. As you guys probably know, we have updated our labels, and I'm really happy with the outcome of them. I hope you guys like them as well. We have lots of tape, of course, and these are our extras that are included in every package. Here is where we usually put the slimes that we have packed already. As you guys can see, we also pack on these two tables there as well. Let me know down in the comments below which one of these slimes is your favorite. Underneath the table, you can also see we have some bubble millers and bubble wrap. We also have a TV to play music on sometimes, and you can see that's where we put the list of the slimes that we are stocking that week with the amounts. Here we just have some markers and sticky notes in case Ethan wants to write down something to let us know what we're doing for each slime that we're packing. And this is where we put our empty glue gallons. After we get a big amount of them, we'll go and we'll empty them out, and you'll be surprised how much glue is left over in these gallons even when you think they're empty. But anyways, that is the whole slime room. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let us know what you think about it in the comments below. Thank you guys all so much for your support, and if you're interested in buying some slime, check out the link in our description. And for the giveaway, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying what your favorite slime texture is, and that's all you have to do. The winner will be chosen next Saturday for our next YouTube video. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.